Oasis app, what's healthy, independent product testing. So see what's really inside, scan any product in seconds, get science-backed results, track your clean choices. Number one, trusted and original platform for finding what's healthy, independent lab tests, and top ranking waters, filter supplements, foods, and more. So we live in the world of products that poison us, brands that hide the truth, and governments that fail to safeguard our health. Others is here to change that. Starting with water filters and our air purifiers, we help you find the healthiest products through independent lab testing and transparent data. It has free access and Oasis $47 per year. So idea is kind of similar which you had in Yuka app, which went viral some time ago, where you just scan barcodes in supermarket and you can see whether this product is healthy for you or not. So in this app is kind of similar. And then you can just go and create an account. So let's So now when you created an account, you see 3 days free and $48 annually, $4 per month, quite a good price. And then you can just tap to scan in the bottom. Then you can see all types of products which are already known. And then if you want to unlock what are top rated products, you need to subscribe. Top rated, scan, community, and then saved. And see settings, membership, and then also you can tap referral codes and now name. And by the way, feel free to use, let me just check if I can. Seems kind of updated. So yeah, just, if you wanna just enter my username here, I will get some referrals. And then, yeah, you can just upgrade from here. So that's the app.